Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to share with you an amazing app for iPhone users that lets you install APK files on iOS devices. It's called iAPK, and I already have it on my iPhone. Let me show you how it works. When I open it, I can see all the APK files I downloaded. For example, I downloaded Happy Mod, and I installed it on my device without any problem. Take a look, here is Happy Mod, and it runs smoothly. If you want to try out some awesome APK apps on your iOS device, don't miss this video. Before installing the app, make sure the battery saver mode is off. This mode might cause issues with the app's functionality. To turn it off, open Settings, select Battery, and slide Low Power Mode to Off. Then, you can move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open your internet browser on your device and go to the website called oginject.vip. This website has many modded apps and games that can give you amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for iAPK and click on it. You will see a page with some information about the app and a button that says Start Injection. Click on that button and wait for a few seconds. The website will start injecting the mod into your device, and this process might take some time depending on your internet speed and device performance. After some time, you will see a message that says Injection Completed. This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device and you are done. However, there might be one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step might vary depending on your device model and operating system, but it usually involves downloading some additional files. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a tutorial on how to do it on the website. Just follow the instructions on the screen and complete this step as soon as possible. So that's how you can install APK files on iOS devices. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.